Hello friends, welcome to Param's Code. In this video, I am going to create to-do list in Angular. First, I am going to create one input text field and one button. Input type text placeholder, type your to-do list. And button submit the button. So next, for styling the elements, I will add deflex justify content center. These are the classes coming from Bootstrap framework. I am using Bootstrap 5 framework. So just I added the classes for aligning the input text and buttons. Next, I am going to create one method, click method, submit the to-dos, submit. Then we need to reference that input text field. So we have to get the input types value from the input text box. So we need to reference with using help of local variables, and that variable need to pass into the submit function. Next, I am going to define that method into the TS file. Submit function as a one string. So that string coming from the HTML, the user value. So just we print the item. Then we will see the browser. So whatever we type in the input text box, it will be print in the console. Next, I am going to create one property to-dos. Type array. I leave it empty array. We need to store all the strings into array. So that we can use this dot to-dos. I need to use the push method. We need to pass the ID in particular ID in particular to-do ID dot this dot to-do slot name, and the second parameter name equal to item. Just we consolidate the console of this dot to-dos. Now we can see all the strings stored in the array list of. We need to bind the list of arrays into the HTML so that I can use the empty for loop. So we can iterate all the array list with help of ng-for. Now we can check on the browser. First to-do list. Yeah, once we submitted the to-dos, uh, the to-dos has to bind it in the HTML. So next we have to remove that particular to-do. So that case we can add button inside the list of arrays. So button remove. Click remove to-dos. So once we declare the remove function, we need to pass that particular to-do ID. So already we have to-do, so to-do.id, and then we declare that remove method inside the TS file, remove to-dos. I need to pass that ID. ID is this ID type is number. When we remove the to-dos, it should be removed. So based on the index value. I hope you have learned some basic features in Angular on like ng-for and how to filter the list from the array and how to convert to string to array list. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.